Hi, just making a video. Hi, I'm making a video I promised to make showing my craft room in its messy state, and I'm talking messy like a tornado went through. I have actually had the room organized twice. We had the roof cave in, ceiling caved in from rain and hail, and had to take everything out here twice, and now fixing to try my third attempt finally to get this room organized, and some of it packed up because we have the house for sale. Alright, here we go. The shelves on the left are just miscellaneous stuff that I'm put in there for now. The wire shelves are supposed to be for my stamps, and it's a light board there hanging so it didn't get broke. Down here you'll see I have flowers and punches, and I think that's it down there. Some miscellaneous items on this shelf right now. Just working to try to get everything organized. It's a mess. Here is, oops, let me get a light on here. There we go. Not much light, but we'll see. Alright. Here is my stamp area. Have, several stamps. I made a couple of the jelly thingies that you do, jelly arts with. Got more stamps hanging here. Got like 3 of those little hanging thingies full of, somewhat full of stamps. My handmade version of the Clip It Up. This here has like all my watercolor stuff, supplies in it. Door to the backyard. Shelf, stamps. Have paints there, markers, and old jewelry that I'll take apart and use in other pieces. There's lots of stuff here. Trash. There's Bear. Say hi, Bear. Alright. File cabinets. Some drawers are labeled, some are not. Got to get everything organized. These pieces of cardboard are to wrap my fabrics around, because I do have fabrics. Just got to get them, wrapped and shelved. Some scrapbook paper. Metal thingies are in that jewelry box, to use for my crafts. My desk and my big dies. You can pretty much see what some stuff is. Another file cabinet with some fabric on top. Picture I need to hang on the wall. My mom gave me these 2 little nightstands, and I use them to hold my work table up that I got from IKEA. I do have camera set up to make videos, if you can see it. It's hard to see with the light from the outside, but if I close the blind, it's really dark in here right now. I gotta get more light bulbs. Got a bookshelf full of books, and that's not even all my books. I have more in boxes in the garage. My stove to keep me warm in the winter. Some more books in that cabinet. And miscellaneous stuff down there. Stamps, I think. Yeah, stamps are in that thing. Down here you got more stamps. More miscellaneous items. Here's paints. From sample paints I bought from Mixed Media Art. my organizer thing from Harbor Freight that I painted. I like the color. Printers. My toaster oven, not in its permanent position or state. Got me an overhead viewer to do some art with. Now this is where I keep my scrapbook paper collection. I got some chess pieces, just need to make a chessboard for somebody. I don't play chess. This is the second room. This is like second part. Yeah, this is my sewing area. Supposed to be anyways. And you can see my sewing cabinet here. And sewing machine is behind that stuff there. Cutting table there. Had to put new legs on it because it's old. Have a cart to move stuff around in. There's Bear again. Yes, he loves being on camera. Have wires from when I do my computer repairs and upgrades. More shelves, and love my brick wall. Serger thread that I have not hung the rack yet, or the shelf. Some fabrics in those containers there. And then I have some canvases up top, canvases over here, more fabrics, serger, all kind of miscellaneous items I've got to get organized. Then I've got a half mannequin there, and then another shelf, my Dremel tool, another door to the side of the house. But yeah, it's a mess. I've got to get this place cleaned and organized. I got to start packing some stuff too. I got to pack stuff in boxes because we have the house for sale, so I have to make it look presentable. I've lost my shoe. I have my own bathroom back here. It's a mess too. We'll just a quick scan. Yeah, okay, that's enough of that. So this is it. This is my craft room, and it's all this horrible glory right now. I will post updates, you know, progress that I make on this room as I make the progress. And now that I've made this video, I've got to get started. I've got to do this. And I've got to get started soon, you know, like today. I'm actually making progress by making a video. So, oh, those empty containers where my beads usually are, but I've been beading in the living room in front of the TV, so they're in there right now in the living room. So anyways, please come back and check, you know, see if I got any progress reports for you. I appreciate you coming and watching, and I would appreciate any comments you got, any advice you have, please. Because I am just like overwhelmed with the mess. It wasn't this messy when I moved in, when I had boxes everywhere to unpack. So I mean, it's grown into like one of those hoarder shows, you know. But I want to organize. I don't want to purge. Anyways, please come back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please comment. Please hit like. I need all the help I can get. Thank you.